Hello and welcome to my Sandbox 2 tutorial how to make custom dialogues in Crysis. For this tutorial you will need a program to record sound, and I will use Audacity because it can edit it and then you can save it as MP3 and WAV files. It's also free, so that's an extra bonus. Start by recording a sound. Hello, like that, and then we're just gonna cut some of this unnecessary sound away, like that. I couldn't get my computer to record the sound from the output, so you won't be able to hear it that well. So we're just gonna yes, then export it as a WAV file. I will recommend saving the files in your map folder, but you can save it everywhere you want. But when you do it in this map folder, it's easier to send the map to other people. So we will call it just one, and then as a MP3. Also called, it has to be the same name as the WAV file, so it's also called one. Okay, then we can close this program. Now we have to make the MP3 file a MP2 file. Normally you will destroy the file, but it doesn't matter when you do this, like that. So just close it. Now open your map and go to the facial editor here, make it load like that. Then go to sequence, new. The sequence has to be saved in the same folder as the sounds, and then in this example it would be in my map folder, and it has to be called the same as the sound, so it's called one. Save, sequence, load sound, and that's the one. Load. Then you can click in the top and then scroll so you can see the WAV file. Then you go to here and say from sound, it's the time of the sound, because if you don't do this, it will be as default it will be 30 seconds the sound would last, but when you do this it will last the sound's length, so it would be, the sound will stop here automatically. Now right click down here and see insert, and now we have to lip sync, and then you can, when you scroll up here, you can see all the different moves on his lips over the picture, and we have to say hello, so we have to get a H sound, if you can find that. There was one, and hello. Like that, and like that. Now you just go to sequence, save, yes. And then we go place a guy in the map. It's gonna be Keegan this time, like that. And then go to scroll down. You can make the dialogue by doing it through the track view, and you can also do it again through the flow graphs, and I will do it this one. I will call it dialogue, make a new one called dialogue, then right click, misc start, and then sound dialogue. Now the sounds should play, just at the end the guy has to say it to the sound dialogue graph and then say browse. This is the sounds Crytek made for us, so we're going to say browse file, go to the folder, find the MP2 file, open it. Well, now it will go pretty quickly, so we can't see what he's saying, so I'm just gonna do so he's repeating it all the time, like this. So you don't have to do this normally, I will just do it so every second he will repeat the dialogue like this. Oops. Okay, close it and spawn. I don't know if you can hear it, but you can see it. So this is how it's work, and I hope you could use it. If you have any questions, just post them on maxgaming.com.